Hello everyone. In last video, we have obtained Mayer's relation and correction also. Now we will obtain relation, that is gamma relation between Cp and Cv also as well as. Now consider monoatomic gases. What is monoatomic gases? Monoatomic words itself suggest mono is one atom. For monoatomic gas enclosed in a container, C T is the constant temperature, N is the number of atom which is 1. Each atom has 3 translation degree of freedom. Translation, we know translational, rotational and vibrational. So here 3 translational degrees of freedom are there. So we also know from our previous knowledge that is E is equal to 3 by 2 N kBT. Now therefore average energy per atom. Now see per atom. So here N is 1, so per atom is 3 by 2 kBT. N will get cancelled because N is 1. Total internal energy per mole E is equal to 3 by 2 Na kBT. Recall that dE is equal to Cv dt. Now we can also write Cv is equal to dE upon dt. We know value of E, so we will take derivative with respect to time. So we will get Cv. So take derivative with respect to t of 3 by 2 Na kBT. We will get after derivative Cv is equal to 3 by 2 Na kb. We know Na kb is equal to R, so we will write instead of Na kb that is equal to R. So what I get, Cv is equal to 3 by 2 into R. Now we also know that Cp minus Cv is equal to R. What we derived in last video, Mayer's relation, Cp minus Cv is equal to R. So put the value of Cv, what are Cv is equal to 3 by 2 R. What we will get? Cp minus 3 by 2. Put the value of Cv here. So 3 by 2 R is equal to R. So by simplifying, I will get Cp is equal to 5 by 2 R. Now gamma is the ratio of Cp upon Cv. Gamma is ratio of specific heat at constant pressure and specific heat at constant volume. So put the value of Cp and Cv. Cp is 5 by 2 R and Cv is 3 by 2 R. So gamma, the ratio is 5 by 3. This is for monoatomic gas. Now come to diatomic gas. What is diatomic gas? Di means 2. For example, we can say see O2, N2, CO, HCl. All this contains 2 atoms, so we will treat them as a diatomic gas. Now, if we treat this as container, as rigid rotator, rigid means fixed. So each molecule will have what? 3 translational and 2 rotational degrees of freedom. Now according to law of equipartition of energy, the total internal energy of 1 mole is given by C E, total energy, internal energy is equal to energy, translational energy, rotational energy and vibrational energy. But in this case, we don't have vibrational energy. So we will put EV is equal to 0 since it is a rigid rotator. Now we know from our previous information that translation energy is 3 by 2 Na kBT. So I write at instead of ET, I put this value of ET 3 by 2 Na kBT. We also know rotational energy is 2 by 2 Na kBT, and we know since it is rigid rotator, we put the value of EV is equal to 0. So by simplifying, I will get 5 by 2 Na kBT. So again, what we did in monoatomic, we have to do it again. Cv is derivative of energy with respect to time. So take derivative with respect to time of this energy 5 by 2 Na kBT. So derivative's answer is 5 by 2 Na kB. So now Na kB is also equal to R. So I substitute Cv is equal to 5 by 2 into R. I got the value of Cv. So again, with the help of Mayer's relation, find the ratio So put the value of CV in Bayes relation. Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Substituting the value of Cv, Cp minus 5 by 2 R is equal to R. Cp is equal to R plus 5 by 2 into R. So I get the value of Cp as 7 by 2 into R. Now gamma is the ratio of Cp upon Cv. Again we have to do the same thing. Now put the values of Cp 7 by 2 into R, put the value of Cv 5 by 2 into R, and by cancelling I will get gamma is equal to 7 by 5 for diatomic gas. Okay, now consider second case for diatomic gases containing non-rigid vibrating molecule. Now we are not rigid, so since this is non-rigid, there is vibrational energy. So in this dynamic we are going to consider two cases. First is rigid and second is non-rigid. Now see, in internal energy, total energy will be equal to Et plus Er plus Ev. Now we have to substitute Ev here. So again 3 by 2 NaKBT plus 2 by 2 NaKBT. We also know vibration energy from our previous information. So 2 by 2 NaKBT. Now add up this 3 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 2, and NaKBT is common. So by this addition we are getting 7 by 2 NaKBT. This is internal energy for diatomic gas but non-rigid. This is vibrating molecule. Now Cv we are getting 7 by 2 NaKB, that is 7 by 2 R. Again recall Rayner's relation, put the value of Cv. Cv is 7 by 2 into R. We are getting Cp is equal to 9 by 2 with the calculations, or we can adding this, we are getting 9 by 2. Again take the ratio Cp upon Cv, we are getting 9 by 2 R upon 7 by 2 R, then the ratio is 9 by 7. This is diatomic gas which is non-rigid. Okay, now come to the third type of gas, that is polyatomic gases. Now words itself suggests that poly means many atomic gases. Now gases which have molecule containing more than 2 atoms. There are many molecules which have 2 atoms, which they are termed as polyatomic gases. Example, we can take ammonia gas. Ammonia gas, what is the formula for ammonia gas? NH3. So in this case, in each molecule of ammonia, it contains one molecule of one atom of nitrogen and 3 atom of hydrogen. Now each molecule of polyatomic gas has 3 translational degree of freedom and 2 rotational degrees of freedom. Other molecule can have 3 degrees of freedom also. Means suppose we have some another molecule, we are now considering only ammonia. So ammonia has 3 translation degree of freedom and 2 rotation degrees of freedom. It might be possible that it has 3 degrees of freedom also. The number of degrees of freedom F for the vibrational motion of polyatomic molecule. We don't know the number, so we write it as F. F degrees of freedom for the vibrational motion of polyatomic molecule depends on the geometric structure of the molecule. It will vary according to its geometric structure. So for 1 mole of polyatomic gas, the internal energy will be E is equal to E translational, E vibrational, E rotational. So we know here 3 by 2 NaKBT, here 3 by 2 NaKBT plus F. See here F I written here into 2 by 2 NaKBT. Okay. So here I take 3 by 3 plus 5 common and NaKBT outside the bracket common. So 3 plus F into R NaKB. So Cp is equal to 4 by 4 plus 5 into R. Again take the relation between Cp and Cv. The ratio of Cp and Cv, we are getting 4 plus F upon 3 plus F. So gamma is 4 plus F and 3 plus F. So hence we have derived relationship, that is ratio of Cp and Cv for monoatomic, diatomic and polyatomic gases. Thank you.